Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain experiment number 5 of data structure and program design. Aim of the experiment is develop and execute a program in C to implement stack using array. The objective of this experiment is to understand the concept of stack. First of all, what is stack? Stack is an ordered collection of data items. In stack, insertion and deletion will be performed at the one end. The insertion operation is called as push operation and deletion operation is called as pop operation of the stack. Stack is also called as last in first out data structure because the last element inserted in the stack will be deleted first. Therefore, it is called last in first out. Here I am going to explain how the push and pop operation will be performed on the stack. This is the representation of stack. Stack is represented as an array of size 7. Here, insertion and deletion will be performed from the same end, that is top of the stack. When stack is empty, top will be -1. First of all, our stack is empty. Now we insert first element in the stack. When stack is empty, top equals to -1. So inserting element in the stack, first increment the top of the stack with 1. Therefore, top equals to top plus 1 equals to -1 plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, first element is inserted at the stack of the top. That is stack of 0. Here we insert the first element 10. So 10 inserted at top is now at 0 position. Therefore 10 inserted at stack of 0. For inserting second element in the array in the stack, we have to increment top of the stack by 1. First of all, top is at 0, top equals to 0. Then we increment it by 1. Therefore, top is at 1 and we insert our second element in the stack of top, that is stack of 1 position, which will be 20. Next, for inserting third element in the stack, we have to increment top again by 1. In step 3, our top will be at 2 and top of the stack of top, that is stack of 2 equals to we insert third element at stack of top, that is at stack of second position. This will be 30. Next, again for inserting element in the stack, we have to increase top by 1. Now our top of the stack is at position 3 and we insert our next element in third position, that is 40. In this way, the insertion operation will be performed in the stack, that is called as push operation of the stack. Now I will going to explain the pop operation of the stack. Here I give one stack that is full and top of the stack is at position 6. Insertion and deletion operation is performed at the same end, that is from the top. Therefore, when we are going to delete the element in the stack, the element at the top will be deleted first. Here, the top is at 6 position and at the top there is this element of that is 70. So 70 is deleted first and top will be decreased to 1. That will be now that is at position 5. Top is at position 5. Next, at the top there is present 60 and 60 will be deleted and top will be decreased to 4. Therefore, top is at present now at position 4. Next element deleted is 50, that is present on the top of the stack, and remaining element of the stack will be shown, and top is present at position 3. In this way, the pop operation will be performed on the stack. Now I will going to implement this push and pop operation using C. This is our program for performing push and pop operation on this stack. Here we use switch case statement for entering choice. This one is the function for push. Here, if top greater than equal to n minus 1, then the message will be print that stack is overflow. At that position, we will unable to insert any new element in the stack. If this condition is false, then we have to enter the value that will be inserted in the stack and increase the top of the stack with 1, and at the position stack of the top we have to insert the new element in the stack. This one is the pop function of the stack. Here, if top less than equal to -1, then this stack message will be displayed that stack is underflow. That at that time we are unable to delete any element from the stack. Else we have to delete the element at the top of the stack, and top of the stack will be decreased to -1. At the end, we write the function for the display of the stack element. Now I am going to execute this program. First of all, we have to enter the size of the stack, that how many elements can be inserted in the stack. That value should be entered here. Suppose size of the stack is 5. Then enter your choice for performing inserting operation or deleting element from the stack operation, that is pop operation. First we have to insert the value in the stack. That way I insert 1 in choice. Then what value will be inserted, that is going to be entered, that is 10. Then next enter your choice again 1. Enter the value to be pushed will be 20. Now I am going to display the stack. The element in the stack are 10, 20 and 10. Now I am going to perform the pop operation of the stack, that is delete the element from the top of the stack. The pop element is 20. Again, if I give second choice, then 10 will be deleted, and again if I give second choice, then the message will be displayed that the stack underthrow. Stack under. Now I am going to exit from the program. This is all about the operation performed on the stack.